Welcome back guys, my name is Samula Khan and in this video I will show you how to calculate student attendance in percentage. So let's get started. First of all, you can see this is the name of the student Sami Harun Kashif and Uzair, and you can see the attendance of this student. Now we will put the formula here. First of all, you have to type is equal to, then count, 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 if, then bracket open. Now select it from the F to B, from the right to left, then comma, then P, bracket close, then slash count A, then bracket open, then now select it again and then bracket close. You can see the formula here. Now just hit enter. Now press Ctrl plus Shift plus 5. Now it is converted into the percentage. If you do any changes later, like if you change from present to absent, then it will automatically change. Okay, it changed to 60%. In this way you can make student attendance in percentage. If this video was helpful to you, make sure like my video and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos like that. Thank you.